Hi everybody, this is my dog Monty bro. I hope everybody likes this video. I'll have good music in the background, and just wait till I'll just cut in the head of the video until my dog eats all the food, and then I'll show you what he can do. I'm back with some business, and my dog is getting food, but he wants to eat more food. I just gave him a whole nother lot of cup food, and he's still hungry. I was cutting head in another video until it's done. I'm back, and he's finished. Sorry about that, he didn't know. Can't hold this for a bit. It's my dog. Monty, say the food. Say the food. Get the food. The food. Ready? And up. Monty. Come on. You want it? You want it? Come on, Monty. Yeah, good boy. He probably wants to pat now. Good boy, Monty. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. I saw that one. Look what he ate. 4 cups of food. No why it's so fat. I'm so moving. Look at this handshake. Look, Monty, give me a handshake. Come on. See this food? You want it? You want it? You want the food? Wait, you want the food? Ah! Come on, Monty. My dog's a bit sleepy today. Yes, wait, I got one food. Come on, food. I got food. Wait, it's over there. It's over there. Monty, it's over there. Monty, food over there. Come on, you want food today? Making a little video today. Also, I'll be putting a link in the description for 2 things today, and that will be the second part of this average video. And for my friend who made a good video about his ski, which I now left him, and my dog still sitting here. See you later, and yeah, see ya.